Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 25. If the determinant of if x, this is a matrix now, a 2 by 2 matrix, which we have x3 2 7 is equal to 15. Now find the value of x in this matrix. A3, B5, C4 and D2. Now if you look at this, they've given us that the determinant of this matrix. Now when you see a matrix having this and you have the content, it simply means that the determinant of this matrix is equals to 15. Now with this we can find the value of x. We can find the value of x. Now that is what it simply means is that x multiplied by 7 minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 15. Now if you look at what I did, I multiplied this with this, then I multiplied this one and this one too, then subtracted this one from this. That's what I did here. So that's how to find the determinant of a matrix. So from here I have 7x minus 6 is equals to what? Is equal to 15. Now 7x minus 6 is equals to 15, so therefore I'll have that 7x is equals to 15 plus 6. That means 7x is equals to 21. Now divide both sides by the quotient of x, which is 7. So I have that 7 here 1 and 7 here 3. So x is equals to 3, which is option A. So the value of x in this matrix is 3. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to our channel for more videos and past